Okay, here we are, beautiful 10 Chappell Street here in New London, Connecticut. We're going to start you off with a street view. This is a one-way street with traffic flow this way and parking on the right-hand side of the street. It is on-street parking for this property, and we'll take you through the outside and take you top to bottom. Here's the front entrance right here. We come down this side view and we'll just take this perspective first outside. We've got a nice private little backyard right here, nice bright southern facing exposure. And this location here, we've got a partially fenced yard, not 100% secure for a dog, so if you did have a little one, you'd be closing off the fencing from the tree over to there. But here's your back of this home. This is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. One of the nice things about this home is it's got a real nice upgrade right here, and that is the Cedar Impressions siding. We've got a side entrance, which, just remember that, we'll get you that entrance on the first floor. So coming in here, we've got the entrance. The covered porch is always nice in inclement weather. And the view again from the front porch, looking down the Chappell Street, one-way flow right there. And then we've got the Jennings School right there, right off of Williams. Dunkin' Donuts right around the corner. So as we come into this house, we do come into the main living area. The main family room is the first room we come into. Nice updated flooring in here, vinyl plank flooring. As you come into the dining area and kitchen, real nice. It's been updated over the years. Nice caramel color maple. We've got a laminate countertop, electric smooth top range microwave. Here's that door, that side entrance that went out. This was a mud entry door. So this takes us out to the side. Back out to the street. Got a nice little coat closet right here for you. Refrigerator, dishwasher, all your regular appliances. We'll do the basement last. That's the door right there. And then we've got laundry and first floor powder bath right here. Gives you a sense of the first floor. Floor plan obviously will demonstrate that better. But nice bright southern exposure right here. The kitchen window picks up a lot of the sun. Coming out onto the back deck right here though. Real nice entertaining area. Here's your fence line. That is the property line. Back fence line is beyond the trampoline. The stone wall is the other fence line. Range hood ducted to the exterior. That's a nice thing. Also, I'll point out maintenance-free vinyl rail system, maintenance-free decking. Here's the bulkhead that's in the basement. You'll want to remember that when we get down there. So as we go upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and this house is move-in ready. Even comes with the washer and dryer. So we will hit the master bedroom first. Nice smooth painted ceilings that are in good shape. This house basically has been painted throughout. Coat closet right there. There is access up into the attic through an access panel there. Bedroom number 2, front left as you were looking at it from the street view. Coat closet right there. Nice little gaming corner right here. Bedroom number 3. Got right here. Looking out over the backyard. Got a closet right there. Here's our full bath on the second floor. This has been updated. Got a nice tile surround in this tub shower. And we've got a nice little linen closet. Notice that we've got thermostat right here, and we've got a thermostat on the first floor, so you've got two zone heat. And this home's got energy efficient natural gas. This has got a high efficiency, low mass boiler. Show you down here. Got rid of the old dinosaur. Here's your energy guide. 2 zones with the 2 zone head right there. Tankless hot water. Triangle tube low mass boiler. Even got some thermal windows down here. Headroom's low. I'm going to say it's just about, just under 6 foot. Here's your bulkhead to the exterior. And that's it. So let's get your showing scheduled ASAP. This home happens to be in a location here in New London, which is going to qualify it for a lower interest rate, 1/4% lower interest rate. You also, as long as you don't currently own a home when you close, if you've owned a home within the last 3 years, the home does qualify for the CHFA rate, which right now, as of today, as I'm recording, that rate is 2 5/8% 30-year fixed. So great rate is available for you. Off-street parking and a garage are the 2 boxes that this home does not check. You do have on-street parking with this home. So that's it. Schedule your showings ASAP.